Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 150 KW ID.3 Life 58 kWh 5-door auto, a cutting-edge electric estate with all the latest features you could ever need. Cruise in comfort with air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Stay safe with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle is not only stylish, but also reliable with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information on how you can get behind the wheel of this incredible car.